How you going, guys? So it's Patrick from DF Gym. I promised the kids that we would have some cool homework this week. So we are going to make a boxing reflex ball, all right? So all the kids at home, that's your homework for this week for our Zoom classes, and we'll be using them in class, all right? So come up here and have a look. So the first things we need to make this quite simple. We need a hat, all right? So thank you, Noah, for lending me his hat. He might get this ball after this one. So we need a hat, need a pen to mark the ball, a screwdriver. Yeah, if it's young kids, please, parents, can you just watch this part of the process? Make sure you help them with this one. Screwdriver, you could use scissors or something, but a little bit more dangerous, so that's why I've said a screwdriver. But please, kids, be careful with this one, all right? Yeah, some tape, all right, some sticky tape, any tape will be fine, and then a tennis ball and some elastic. So I've gone and got a whole heap of tennis balls for you guys and a whole heap of elastic. So yeah, if you don't have any of this stuff or access to this stuff, come into the gym and I'll give you this stuff for you guys, so you have this at home. And yeah, we can all make it at home. So I'll show you how we're gonna do it. Won't take very long. So first thing we need to do is get your pen and mark on the ball, like right in the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna mark a dot right in the middle there, and I wanna go to the other side. In the middle is important, otherwise it'll go sideways when you punch it. All right, and then I'm gonna go to the other side and try and match it. All right, so I'm gonna be about there, looks about right to me. All right, if I look at it. All right, so I've got a nice black dot there, a nice black dot there, and hopefully that's gonna be in the center, close enough, all right? Cool, so then I'm gonna get my screwdriver and I'm gonna poke 2 holes, one from either side in that. So come up nice and close. All right, just as I said, be careful in this bit. This is the only kind of dangerous bit, if you can call it dangerous. All right, so I'm gonna poke it through. Easy, all right, going through. Good, so then we're gonna go to the other side as well. Same thing on the other side, poke it through. Good, then you're gonna get your elastic, all right? So grab your elastic, get some tape. All right, we're gonna tape the elastic to the screwdriver so we can get it through both sides. So we're gonna poke the screwdriver with the elastic through the holes and hopefully come through the other side. So poke it back through that hole, all right, and then come find the other side, poke it through the other side, and there it goes. All right, straight through the other side, nice and easy. Okay, so all I need to do is take that sticky tape off there, all right, hold on to that elastic, and then I'm gonna pull the screwdriver back out. So I have him like this, all right? Cool, and then I'm just gonna tie a couple of knots on this side, okay, to make sure that that's not gonna poke through. It doesn't, it really only needs one, but we'll chuck a couple in there just in case you're hitting it with some power, all right? Cool, so a couple of knots in there. You can cut off the excess if you wanted to, make it look pretty, but we're just gonna pull it tight, all right, and it's not getting through there. So, cool, so get your string, wrap it around the hat, around your cap. All right, what you want is to put it through. You want it to sit about belt buckle height, all right, or maybe just a little bit lower, okay, on your pelvis there. So get it in there, hold on to it, take it off. All right, tie yourself a nice knot. Good, so something like that. I'm just gonna tuck the excess up inside my hat, make sure I've got the right size before I cut it down or anything. All right, and there you have it. You've got your speed ball. So give that one a go at home, guys. Woo. All right, that one wasn't very good. Take 2. One, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 900.